You know that, right? Can't believe you could be so damn cool. This is the strong bitch. You would have I know that you can get it. You better find it. Word. What's it mine?
What you doing? Hey. You want milk? What you want? Cheese. Want some milk? Want some milk? Go sit on the couch, come. What now? What you doing? Nothing. You're doing nothing. Your cheese nice. Your cheese nice. Must I put on Sonic for you? Must I put Sonic on for you? Keep your milk nice, it's gonna fall out. Your milk is gonna fall out. Really?
The London-based cabinet maker from the 1700s. Six cabinets, Thomas. We got two chipmunks, Chip and Dale. Or should I say, Chip and me. And it all.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So this morning I am just taking you guys along with me on a basic realistic day in my life with 4 little ones that is still sick. And I actually became sick as well, so it was quite hectic, but you guys know that moms never get a day off. So yeah, well, I just thought, let me shoot a morning in my life with 4 little ones at home. I basically just gave my little one some cheese and milk. He really loves and enjoy his cheese. He also just started liking milk a lot, so I tried to not overdo it. But I just gave him some cheese and some milk just to keep him occupied while he's sitting on the couch, so that I can prepare breakfast for us. So I just prepared some oats, and because he's a picky eater, I also just added some bread on the side so that I can just basically have more than one option for you. Yeah, so I had my other 3 little ones basically in my room. They were laying and watching movies in my room while I was just basically preparing breakfast for them. And they did not really want me to record them, so I did not add them into my video while we were eating breakfast. Tyrese fell asleep. It's something that doesn't really happen often, but as I mentioned, he was not feeling his best. So he actually fell asleep, and then I just took that time to just tidy up again, the breakfast dishes, and just wipe down surfaces, just keep the house tidy so that it is not overwhelming, as we are all kind of feeling not our best. I don't also want my space to be hectic. that would just make everything so much worse. So I just decided to also just prepare lunch, because I just wanted them to be well fed, as I still gave them their medications. And oh well, man, my firstborn actually had the flu. And then when man, next best thing, all four of them were sick. My baby, my little boy, actually, he did not have flu. He just had this weird rash that just came out all over his body. And when that actually went away, he got a fever. So it was really hectic, and they are basically recovering. And while they were getting better, I felt sick. So it was just really really a time that it's just like really really that, we were trying to, you have all these things that has to be done, but now you're falling sick. And it's just like bad timing. So well, anyway, I just thought, let me take you guys along with me on my daily, basically just a daily, um, just a calm morning of us just being at home, chilling, dealing with all this kind of challenges, basically. So I just also decided that I was going through to prepare lunch, as I mentioned. I just basically wanted to make for them some pancakes, because my kids enjoy pancakes a lot. So as I was making the pancakes, getting ready for it, they decided they wanted to help. So I was quite happy that they actually came in the kitchen to help me. So I let them help, anything just to get them up. So they were helping me with the pancakes, and we had such a nice time. And that is one thing I can say about my kids, at least about my girls. They love to help mommy. So I really enjoy all the time that we have together. So they were trying to basically experiment. They were making big ones, smaller ones, tiny ones. We were actually just having a lot of fun. So while I was preparing lunch, and after I prepared, after I made for them some pancakes, they decided that they wanted to taste how those two would go together. We that was weird to me. We never tried it that way before, but it was actually not that bad. They really did enjoy it, and I got them to eat. So thumbs up. Anything to get them to eat, in those times of them feeling sick. But yeah, hopefully by the next time, my next upload, we will feel much much better. And we will be more energized. So thank you guys for being here again. Thank you for checking out my content consistently. I really do appreciate you guys being here. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. Hopefully, energized and in working mode again. Yeah, I will see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.